Hi everybody, welcome to Little Info and I am Sudha Srinivas. Today I will be talking to you about the Olympics. Now Olympic Games are leading international sporting events in which thousands of athletes from around the world participate in a variety of competition. Now, it's truly a global multi-sport celebratory athletic competition. So, with more than 200 nations participating in over 400 events across summer and winter games. So, Olympic Games are generally held every 4 years, altering between summer and winter every 2 years. Now, Winter Olympics, it occurs during the season when all the sports which require snow and ice take place, like ice skating, skiing, etc. Now, Summer Olympics is other than these ice events. So, that is what is happening now in Tokyo is called as Summer Olympics. Okay, archery, wrestling, table tennis, hockey, swimming, everything comes under this. Now, these Olympic Games are held every 4 years. I already told you that is to respect the ancient origin of Olympic Games, which was started in Greece. Now, the history of Olympic Games dates back to 3,000 years in ancient Greece. Okay, but the modern Olympic Games was held in Athens in 1896, again in Greece. So from then on, Olympics have been conducted every 4 years, but a couple of times Olympic Games have been cancelled due to world wars and other such events. In 2020, again, Olympics was postponed due to the COVID pandemic, and 21 we are having this Tokyo Olympics now. Now, every time when Olympics is conducted, many different countries have been hosting it. Now, is India ready to host Olympic is a big question. Yes, India is a developing nation with considerable growth in medal tally. So, if the government can make better provisions and facilities for aspiring athletes, why not? India can be ready to host Olympics anytime in the near future. Who knows? Even in 24. India can host it. India has all the potential, but it requires a lot of preparation and crores together of money has to be put in. So we'll see what. So the talks are on. So we'll see what the government's take is on this. Okay, but definitely it will be a pride for India also to hold such a mega event. So we'll see when India is going to host it. Okay, so India has represented Olympics for the first time in 1900 in Paris. So Norman Pritchard, he was the country's only athlete, but he won a silver medal in men 200-meter hurdles. Okay, so the first time India debuts in Olympics and we already have silver medals. That's great, right? So Indian athletes are best known for hockey. So from 1928 to 1956, India has won 8 gold medals in hockey alone. But after 1956, India lost its momentum in hockey. Even today, we have been struggling even for a bronze medal. But let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's hope that India gets back its momentum. So let's hope for the best. So from 1900 till 2016, India has won 28 medals in total. So gold, silver, bronze, everything together. And as of today, India has won 4 medals in Tokyo 2021 Olympic as of now. So that's 4 medals. That is one from is shuttler PV Sindhu. She has created Olympic history. She has become the first Indian woman to win 2 individual Olympic medals, one in 2016 silver and 2021 bronze. Okay, and the other medal is from weightlifting champion Mirabai Chanu. She's won a silver medal, and Lovlina, she's won a bronze medal, and Mr. Ravi Kumar, he's won a medal in wrestling. Okay, so we still have a lot of chances to win medals from different events. Hockey, javelin throw, and many other events are still pending. So hope to win more medals. So let's hope for the best. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's await many more medals, and let's not criticize or put the players down if they have not won, because a lot of effort have been put by them just for that 4 minute or 5 minute play, or that 9 or 10 minutes, whatever they're spending. They have spent a whole year for practicing for this. So let's not put them down. So let's cheer them so that they can make it up the next time. So cheers to all the players. So Olympics is where the world comes together to compete, feel inspired, and be together. So cheers to Olympics and all the Indian players. Women power is rocking in Olympics. So let's cheer all the players. A big thumbs up for everybody who's participated in Olympics. Way to go. Keep watching Little Info. Thank you.